Good morning, everybody. I am Jayashree from SNOS College of Technology, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So, I am going to take the topic about demultiplexers. Okay. Let us see what I mean by demultiplexers. So, before going to see this demultiplexer, let us see what is the difference between multiplexer and demultiplexers. In multiplexer, we are receiving the many inputs and only one output will come. That is what multiplexer. Whereas in demultiplexer, it is the inverse operation of the demultiplexers. The data input is only single input is given. Out of the single input, we can select, we can receive multiple outputs. Okay, this is what demultiplexers. So let us see demultiplexers in detail. Recall the manual switches and patch panels. Before demultiplexer, they can use this manual switches and patch panels, and what is the need for demultiplexers and what is the terminology, why demultiplexer transfers in real world. Let us see everything in detail. So first let us see empathize stage. In the patient, if in order to take the multiples data, we need only single measurements. With the single measurement, we can measure the multiple parameters. That is what is objective of this demultiplexer. It can be used in biomedical engineers, lab technicians or patients. For example, demultiplexer is used to direct signals from the patient monitoring microcontroller to multiple alarms or display units. Yes, with a single patient we can give the data to the IC unit as well as doctor and to the patient attendees. So for this demultiplexer can use. With the single input we can receive the multiple data outputs based on the select lines. So next one is what define stage. These are the challenge I defined in the define stage: space constraints in IC boards, power efficiency and error-free signal routing. So these are the challenges we already identified, and this will be overcome by using this demultiplexer in medical devices. And next stage is what? Ideate stage. In the ideate stage, we already know that there are three types of demultiplexer, right? 1:4, 1:8, 1:16. If it is 1:4, the select line is 2. If it is 1:8 demultiplexer, the select line is 3. If it is 1:16 demultiplexer, the select line is 4. So combining DMUX with the microcontroller for modular patient monitoring systems and low power CMOS DMUX for wearable medical devices. So these are the main objective of this ideate stage: generate multiple solutions for the defined problem. One particular problem, we can generate multiple solutions. And next stage is what? Prototype stage. So in the prototype stage, we already seen the types of multiplexer. So here we take only one example as 1:4 demultiplexer. Here the single input is given in the multiplexer and 4 output is taken from the multiplexer based on the select lines. So here the select line is indicated by 2. So 2 power n output will come. So for example, if the select line is 2, 2 square is what? 4. Similarly here this all will come 1:4 DMUX. So here the two demultiplexer are connected parallelly. So which gives the particular patient multiple outputs. And next one is what? Test data. So connected demultiplexer ICs, we can use the IC name is what? 74138 or 74154 to power supply, input data pin and select line. It can be verified by the proper logic signals. VCC is equal to 5 volt, ground and noise free input signal. So assign select line combinations to check routing of the input signal to the respective output lines. So next let us see the assessment. What is the primary functions of the demultiplexer in a digital circuit? There are 4 options is that. Number 1, to store the digital information for later retrieval, to distribute data from the single input to one of the many possible outputs, to perform arithmetic and logical operations on incoming data, to combine data from multiple inputs into a single output. So the answer is what? Obviously we get Answer option is what B, to distribute data from the single input to one of the many possible outputs. So these are the list of references for this demultiplexer circuit. We can explore this knowledge by MCQs or gate questions, etc. So thank you all. Have a great day.